Hello guys, Gram Network is the latest crypto airdrop that is going on now, and if you never start mining, start now because this project is going to release by the Q4 of this year, and that is from October to December. And not only will you going to get something tangible with this project, you can also do P2P even before the project is launched. So, and currently the price for P2P is around 0.0152 to 0.03. So if you mine enough, you can sell even before the project is launched. So you can see the website. You say the feature of decentralized mining, a secure and rewarding Web3 ecosystem powered by GRM token. Start mining directly from your Telegram app. Gram network coin is called GRM token. So we can see. So let's see what they have here on the website. Let's see what they have here on the website. Centralized protocol. They have released the white paper. That's how the project is going to be and what we expect even as we mine project. So I see proof of network mechanism through the pin node participation. Mine regularly and collect your GRM tokens. So secure crypto wallet, complete in-app wallet system, send and receive P2P GRM with zero fee by scanning code, your QR code. Now let's see the tokenomics of this project. I'm more interested in this tokenomics. Look at the total supply. The total supply is only 500 million. We say now the largest share of the ecosystem is allocated towards our mining community, ensuring long-term decentralization. So meaning that the power is indirectly within the community. So the community are the ones to influence the price if it finally launch. So now you can see mining community have 44.0%. The ecosystem and growth has 20%. Core team and distribution has 15%. Public and exchange liquidation have 11%. You can see the total supply 500 million GRM, and this the project roadmap. We say our goal from listening to the word expansion of the ecosystem. Phase 1, foundation, testnet and security, completion of smart contract audit, public testnet deployment and stress testing of mining algorithms. So you can see phase 2, network genesis, that's Q4, mainnet launch, official mainnet launch, genesis block activation, allowing the community to start mining 44% supply. Phase 3, the market horizon, which is Q4 2026 plus, meaning that we may exceed the Q4 of this year. But let's pray and work and see if they can list at the end of this year. So TG and public listing, official token generation event, TG listing on tier 1 CES and leading DES to ensure global liquidity. Gram network, centralized protocol. So in summary, let's see what this project is all about in summary. Say, Gram network is a high throughput decentralized protocol engineered to bridge the gap between traditional Web2 utility and Web3 infrastructure. By leveraging a community-first distribution model, Gram network ensure structural security and long-term decentralization. The document outlines the economic framework, tokenomics, distribution, and strategic timeline leading up to the public token listing in the fourth quarter of 2026. Tokenomics and distribution strategy. Like we read above, we said the economic engine of the Gram network is powered by its native token. The native token is what? GRM. GRM. So the distribution architect is specifically optimized to incentivize early adopters, sustain network security, and fund ecosystem expansion. So GRM is the token, total supply 500 million, model mining utility. Can see the framework of the allocation. This where the allocation is stated is 500 million. So the allocation is say 44% go towards the community and the mining and so on. The 20%, which is 100 million, development and marketing. The core team has 15%, which is 75 million, vesting allocation. Liquidation or liquidity. Liquidity is 11%, 55 million. Then institutional partners, 10%, 50 million. The key pillar, by allocating the largest single share of 44% to the mining community, Gram network ensures that power and governance remain fundamentally in the hands of the individuals running the nodes, preventing institutional manipulation. So like I said before, it's the people that owns the power when it comes to this particular network. You can see the allocation, which is for the mining. So you can visit the website and also see for yourself and do your own research and see whether it's really worth it. Though there have never been any prominent sponsors about this project, but most of us believe that this project has something good to offer, especially the fact that the P2P is already available for anybody to trade. So meaning that even before its launch, people can trade this token on their own. So I'm also using this opportunity to tell you that anybody that is interested in buying or selling his own GRM can also comment on the comment section so that we can negotiate the right price. So let's go to the dashboard for the bot. This is one of the problem we face on this bot. So you should what? Reload the page so that it will work better for you. So whenever you face any error, just reload the page. So I just claimed few minutes ago. This is mining. So this task, you can see there's available task. Once I complete it, I will get 0.5 gram. And This is the transferring aspect. You can what? Send or receive through P2P. So guys, I expect every one of you to start mining and also make sure that you accumulate more of this token so that you can maximize the opportunity to. So they have stake which is yet to what available. Then can see the interface. Can see the interface. So guys, if you have any question or doubt concerning this project, you can comment on the comment section. Let's discuss. So do your own research and start mining. Comment and follow the link to join this project, and all of us will cash out at the end. Thank you for your time and God bless you.